Welcome to Easy English Discovery.
What's your name?
What's your name?
You can call me John.
You can call me John.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
I'm doing well, thanks.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm currently studying at the university.
I'm currently studying at the university.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I hail from the bustling city of New York.
I hail from the bustling city of New York.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Absolutely, I do.
Absolutely, I do.
What time is it?
What time is it?
Let me check. It's about 10 in the morning.
Let me check. It's about 10 in the morning.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Of course. What's on your mind?
Of course. What's on your mind?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Just head down the hall and make a right at the end.
Just head down the hall and make a right at the end.
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
This one is $20.
This one is $20.
Can I get a coffee, please?
Can I get a coffee, please?
Coming right up.
Coming right up.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
Sure thing. I just mentioned the meeting is at noon.
Sure thing. I just mentioned the meeting is at noon.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
It's looking quite sunny today.
It's looking quite sunny today.
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I could go for a snack.
Yeah, I could go for a snack.
Do you like music?
Do you like music?
Love it. I'm always listening to something.
Love it. I'm always listening to something.
Where can I buy a ticket?
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can grab one over at the front desk.
You can grab one over at the front desk.
What's this?
What's this?
That's a souvenir from my travels.
That's a souvenir from my travels.
Can I use your phone?
Can I use your phone?
Sure thing. Here it is.
Sure thing. Here it is.
Would you like some tea?
Would you like some tea?
I'd love some, thanks.
I'd love some, thanks.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Can we meet tomorrow?
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.